Welcome to our beginner's guide on building strong back muscles. Today, we'll take you through essential exercises to strengthen your upper and lower back, along with tips on diet, rest, and injury prevention. Let's start with a gentle warm-up to prepare your back muscles. Begin with some light stretching and a few minutes of cardio to get your blood flowing. Our first exercise is the bent over row. This exercise targets your upper back and shoulders. Remember to keep your back straight and engage your core. Next, we'll focus on the lower back with the Superman exercise. Lie face down and lift your arms and legs off the ground simultaneously. Hold for a few seconds and then lower them back down. Building muscles isn't just about exercise. Make sure you're eating a balanced diet rich in protein to support muscle growth. Also, prioritize rest and recovery to allow your muscles to heal and grow stronger. To avoid injuries, always use proper form and start with lighter weights. Gradually increase the intensity of your workouts as your strength improves. Finish your workout with a cool-down session. Stretch your back muscles gently to reduce soreness and improve flexibility. Great job! Consistency is key. Keep working on these exercises, and you'll see improvements in your back strength. Stay tuned for more fitness tips and routines.